Maris Racal sa pagpatol kay Anthony Jennings. Sa wakas, nagsalita na ang kontrobersyal kapamilya actress si Maris Racal sa kinakasangkutan nila kontrobersya ng kalab team na si Anthony Jennings. Ilang araw nang pinagpipiyastahan ang isyu ng panluloko nila umano ni Anthony sa ex-girlfriend ng aktor na si Jam Villanueva. Inilantad ni Jam Villanueva ang screenshots ng palitan ng mga mensahe ni Maris at Anthony bilang patunay na ginagawang panluloko sa kanya ng mga ito, kabilang na rin ang umanay paglalandian ng dalawa sa likod ng mga kamera. Kaliwat ka ng pangbatikos ang inabot ng dalawang kapamilya stars at halos lahat ay nagsasabing pareho silang manluloko at cheaters. Ngayong araw, binasag na ni Maris ang kanyang katahimikan sa isyu sa pamamagitan ng isang video interview mula sa ABS-CBN. At dito nga inamin ng actress na nagkamali siya. Narito ang ilang bahagi ng revelasyon ni Maris. Today, I will be speaking my heart. Lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay galing sa puso ko. Nagkamali ako, and I only say sorry for everything that I have done. It started last June of 2024. I was in a very dark place. I'm lonely and I was getting attention from Anthony, the kind of attention that I needed. When I sensed that there was a growing attention between Anthony and I, nadadala ako sa emotion ko. And I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything and admitted thanks to him, and then we broke up. It wasn't easy. It was very hard for me to announce the breakup. I was emotional during that interview because I was holding back the truth. Yun yung totoo. I wasn't able to really simmer down. I wasn't able to reflect on what had happened. I was working every day. Dami naming trabaho. Bago magsimula yung mga trabaho namin, I told Anthony that I broke up with my ex, and he also said the same thing. Mind you, I was in a very lonely place. I was so lonely, so vulnerable at the time, like everybody na nakaka-break lang. I was working every day at sa lahat ng trabaho na yon kasama ko si Anthony. Aaminin ko na sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho namin, nahulog din yung loob ko. He would be very sweet to me. He would be such a gentleman to me. He would say things to me. He would tease me on that seat in front of other people. He would tell other people that are close to me that he was single, so I would act a certain way around him on the seat because in the eyes of the people there we were both single, ang paliwanag ni Maris. Yun pa kay Maris, grabe ang natanggap niyang pambabatikos at pambabastos mula sa mga basher at haters dahil sa naging revelasyon ni Jam Villanueva. Sabi pa niya sa isang part na interview, I don't know where to go. Wherever I go out, wherever I walk, I feel like a woman naked. Hindi ko alam ano ang gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed.